In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtask in Airtable. We're going to walk through a simple way to set up a subtask field inside one of your existing bases, so you can keep extra details, to-dos, or smaller action items neatly organized under each main task. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on the main workspace view. This is the page where you can see all of your bases laid out, usually as tiles or cards. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace if you have more than one, because your bases can be organized under different workspaces. Next, click on the base where you want to add subtasks. This should be the base that already holds your main tasks, projects, or items. When you click into it, Airtable will open up the grid or view you were last using. Make sure you're on the table where you want the new subtask information to live. If you have multiple tables, look at the tabs across the top and select the correct one. Now, to add a new column for subtasks, move your mouse to the far right side of your sheet. You'll see a plus icon at the end of your existing columns. This icon is how you add a brand new field. Click on that plus icon, and Airtable will open a small panel or drop-down where you can choose the type of field you want to create. From the list of field types, click on long text. Long text is ideal for subtasks because it lets you type more than just a short label. You can list multiple subtasks, add notes, or even use line breaks to separate items. This gives you much more flexibility than a single line of text. Once you've selected long text, Airtable will ask you to name this new column. Click into the name box and type something clear and descriptive, like subtask or subtasks. Use a label that makes sense for how your team will use it, so anyone looking at the base immediately understands what belongs in that column. Finally, click on Create Field to add this new column to your table. Airtable will insert the field as a new column on the right side of your sheet. From here, you can start entering subtasks for each record, either as a simple list or with one item per line, depending on what works best for you and your workflow.